Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to enroll your fingerprint. First, confirm Windows Hello support and that HP biometric drivers are installed. Once done, sign into an administrator account and plug the laptop into power so it won't sleep mid-process. Make sure you're connected to the internet to download any driver updates. Now open Settings, choose Accounts, then Sign In Options. You'll see Windows Hello Fingerprint. Click Setup to start the enrollment wizard, and follow the prompts to capture your fingerprint images. You'll perform repeated scans so Windows builds a reliable fingerprint profile. Position the same finger exactly as shown, lift and rest it slowly to capture different angles. Follow feedback prompts until progress reaches completion. Next, create a strong backup PIN. This is required and used if the reader fails. Register at least one additional finger, like the opposite thumb, to avoid lockouts. If Windows requests biometric driver updates during this step, allow them to. Once enrollment completes, sign out or lock the PC and test the fingerprint reader immediately. You should unlock with a single touch. If scans are inconsistent, clean the sensor with a microfiber cloth and re-enroll the finger for better coverage. If problems persist, open Device Manager, expand biometrics, and update or reinstall the HP fingerprint driver. This often fixes driver corruption. Finally, make sure Windows Update has no pending updates and reboot. That usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.